Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to create a portfolio with Canva 2025, and it will be a free portfolio website. And as you know, Canva is a platform where we can edit our images, our another kind of stuff like product image and video editing. So the platform is really useful for us. In this video I'm going to give you a step-by-step beginner guide how to create a free portfolio website using Canva. So it will be ideal for designer, writers, freelancer, photographer, student and many more. So first of all, let me clarify to you that build a free portfolio website is really easy in portfolio, and also there is no requirement for coding also. So let's dive into the main topic, and I will request you to keep the video watching till the end, and you will find out this video is a diamond for you. So let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you can see we already logging to our Canva account, but if you visiting canva.com, firstly you will get this kind of interface where you can see they have login and sign up button over that place in the top, and you have also the option for start designing. Just click over here. Once you click over here, the pop-up will become over here, and you need to be create account like YouTube and Facebook. So the process is really simple and quick. Just 2 or 3 minutes will be taking to create an account. So I hope you can easily create your account over Canva. So let's dive into the main goal or main step hour. So first of all, you can see if we visit in Canva in the home, then you will find out the interface will be similar like this way. So here you need to be search portfolio word. So when you will click over here and search for portfolio, you will get some portfolio option over your down. So you can scroll down and you can find out your desired portfolio for your industry. So I'm going to take a portfolio that will be this one, may be good for me. Let's click over here and let's click on customize this template. Once you click over here, you can see a new page has been redirected or new tab has been opened. Here you can see this is our portfolio, and here we need to be changed everything like us. Like my name is MD Al Mahin, so I'm going to make my name will be Mahin. So basically start replacing the content with your own. Here you can see this is the page in the down, and we have almost 14 pages over that place. So just visit each and every parts one by one, and you can see all of these pages how it looks and works. So here you can see they have about me page where I need to add some summary about me, and here I can change my image over that place. Just click over here. Like right now I am going to use an example image, so I will replace the image with this one, and I'm going to change the name Mahin Rahman, and I am a content creator. So as you can see, this is really simple and quick. Then again go next page, and here if you want to change the image you can do, and if you want this element like text, your follower list, your sales list, your product design list, job event, whatever you want, let's change it on a thing that you will understand. Let makes thing 20k plus follower, sales almost 423. Let's change the sale will be 10. This is our sales. We already have 600 product design, job event almost. Like you can change every element in this page option, so it's really easy. So mind it, always work on your project or your sample. For each project, add a title, must be description, tool used, upload screenshot videos or links to live work. Like whatever work you did, it's totally like you are making your portfolio. So here you need to integrate your work, so who are looking your portfolio, they can identify yourself as an expert worker or expert in an industry. So in this way you can identify your work sample to them. So this is the really amazing and simple process to make yourself perfect to other people. So you can see, if you are a graphic designer, include your skill. If you are a web designer, you can include your work. If you are a photographer, you can add your photographer tools or skills. So here you need to be add your skill page, your skill, like you know content creation, you know video editing, you know Photoshop, you know Illustrator. Like, let me give you an example that I am a content creator. Now the image is not familiar with content creation, so I am going to search an element that will be content creation, and they will give us some option over that place. So just click over here, see all, and let's find an image that's relatable, like content creation. So I think this one is perfect, so I am going to drag and drop it here, and I am going to delete this image. Again, delete this one too. Now you can see this will be familiar with our work, so I can add our skill with image over that place. So again, our next step will be change contact page. So I think you already understand where we need to be edit and where we need to be delete. Like, you can see one by one and change as yourself. And second, where is the contact page? So you can add your project here. So I just want to edit my contact page, where I will highlight my contact number, include my email, social media or LinkedIn, or add a contact from Canva prompts to embedded links. So you can do it by yourself also, like search over here form, and they will give you the option here where you are able to add some form over that place. So this is really easy. Again, I want to say it. Then the next step will be adjust design and branding. So as you can see, we already have a portfolio sample. So here you can change your fonts, colors and layout and to match your personal brand. Like my color is white, let's change it to this color. If your color is this, you can able to change it. You can change the font color to make it more perfect for your design. Like you can see now the design looks really awesome. Then you can use Canva style tab to quickly apply it to matching color palettes. So again, add animation and transition if you desire to add it. Second step will be publish as a website. This is really important. Just click on share button in the top in the right corner. You will find out next to the send to teacher button. Just click over here, send, then choose web style. Just go over here and you will find out further option. Just click over here and you can see we have share option like present, LMS, public view, template link, move to a folder and website embed. Just click over here website, and they are giving you an website URL. You can change it as you wish. So I'm going to make sure my website will be online so people can visit the link and they can see it. So you can change the URL. If you have any custom URL, you can add it here. Then public setting, it will be visible for everyone. Then click on publish. Once you click over here, you can see preparing for your design be not updated or going slowly. Now you can see this is our link and we can view it right now easily. So just search it and you can see this is our website. And if you click over here again one by one, and it will be able to view. So you can see how much easy the process here. So they are giving us a free domain. They are giving is really allow us to edit every and each element, so we don't need to be do any coding here. We are getting like significant website for us. So it's really easy. Let me give you an tips for you that will be keep it simple and visual. Like 3-6 strong project is enough for your portfolio. Second one is use high quality visual like mock-up, screenshot, photos for you. It will make your website more engaging. Then update your portfolio every 3 and 6 months. So whenever you will complete a new project, just include a new project on your Canva and publish it, and in this way you can update it your portfolio. and you can even track site visit with Canva Pro optional. So if you have Canva Pro, you can track your website. So the process is, eventually I want to say that the process is very simple and quick. If you want to publish your portfolio, then you can do it, or you can allow to do it in Canva. This will make it really simple for you and make it much easier than compared to other website and platform. So I hope you will find out this video is helpful for you, where you can edit each and every template and parts and elements. So think yourself, do you want to work on your Canva portfolio or not? So if you found out this video is really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you want to this kind of awesome video, then just comment below on the comment box. I will make sure a new video for you on your topic, and hit the like button. I will catch you in the next video.